In this video, we're going to set up a proposal using a template. You can find proposal templates in two places. Click the New Proposal button and you'll see a list of available templates. Or click the Template button to open the full template gallery. Inside the gallery, you'll find three types: proposal templates, page templates, and section templates. To create a proposal from a template, just click New Proposal, pick the template you want, and it will instantly generate a new proposal for you. You'll get a notification that shows the template has been duplicated and the word copy has been added to the title. All the content from that template is now copied into your new proposal. You can access all the editable settings from the Proposal Settings drop-down. Here's where you can adjust anything you like. You'll need to choose a proposal folder, add a company name, set a proposal number, and enter a proposal title. You can also change any other settings now, or come back to them later. Once you're happy, click Update Proposal. To preview it, click Preview Proposal. This takes you to the splash screen, where you'll see the new proposal title. Everything from the original template is here. You can click around to explore the layout. You'll also notice that any personalisation codes in the template have already been populated. In this example, the company name was added using a dynamic field, and now it appears wherever that code was used throughout the proposal. Click through the pages to make sure everything looks right and that all the dynamic content has been filled in correctly. This makes it incredibly easy to set up personalised proposals quickly and efficiently. If you want to exit the preview and return to editing, click the button to go back to the proposal editor. And if you want to return to the main dashboard, click Back to Proposals. Now you'll see your new proposal listed in the dashboard. You can preview it again by clicking the Preview button. Or go straight into editing by selecting Edit Proposal. That will take you right back into the proposal's editable pages.